Well, hi and welcome back. We just did some more work on the skid steer. We installed two windows at the rear section of the cab. The way we did this, we just simply took a piece of cardboard, and I'll just show you the cardboard. We made a pattern for the window, and then cut the plastic out of based on that pattern. They're both the same actually on both sides here, so you can see this window's the same size and shape. So one pattern did both. We just had to reverse it, and then we were able to cut the plastic on our table saw, and using silicone adhesive, just silicone it into place. So now we've got our cab closed in. Then I had some leftover plastic that we hadn't used, and I thought, well, it'd be nice to have a front door on this thing. The price for a door on these Bobcats is like $1,000, so really wasn't economically feasible to have one. So we just took a piece of plywood, cut it to the opening shape of the doorway, and then cut the center out. And as you can see, then we just put the plexiglass over top of it, screwed it in. We used PLP for that, and then just put some modified hinges in the existing spaces. I don't know if you can see that. So we just cut out the little pieces at the bottom and put our pin through. And then we did the same, so that door can actually come off in the summer if we want it off. So those are some of the changes that we made to make our life a little more comfortable inside that cab, because it can get pretty drafty in there when you're plowing snow. And then of course we've put a nice plow blade on the front of it, so we should be able to move a good amount of snow with that. And it has a quick release attachment for it. There's our old bucket there too, so we can pile the snow, we can push the snow, and we're all set for the winter, hopefully.